I'm Mike with Master Hail Repair. I had a customer come in yesterday, drop off her car, told her we might need to apply for a supplement. She wanted to know what a supplement was and why do we apply. So I'm gonna try to explain it to you. This right here is a 2018 Chevy Traverse. What we do is we bring it in, we put it under the lights. We like to put a dot by every dent, and then we also like to circle the dents that we call oversize. The insurance companies will pay us $40 for each dent that's over a quarter. This is the original estimate done by a CAT team. This is after they came out yesterday and looked at it with us. You can see 2018 Chevy Traverse. This is the VIN. 2018 Chevy Traverse. This is the VIN. Let's just look at the roof. The 65 nickels came out to $593. Originally said it had 7 oversized dents. They pay us $40 per oversize. That's $280. After yesterday, the appraiser agreed had 80 quarters, $812. Oversize had 16, big difference for us, $640. Even had one that's considered double over. Original estimate was $4,217 minus the deductible, $3,717. $7,000 is how much they agreed after they came out and looked at the supplement with us, minus deductible, $6,651. That is a $3,000 supplement. If you think about it, if the insurance companies appraise 10,000 cars at $1,800 difference, and that's what our average is, that's $18 million. That is basically why we apply for a supplement, because we want to make sure that the car is appraised to how it should be appraised.